a whole khutbah on water. Yeah, Ramadan has gone, but that doesn't mean we must not continue Islam. All of us, a lot of you got many stores. Some of you make water. Auzubillah. You got thousands of cases of water in your business. Do you know the masjid is what? Not the house of Allah? I don't care if it's this masjid or which masjid. And for all these people who are listening worldwide, isn't the masjid the house of Allah? So when people come to pray in the house of Allah, what are they called? The guest of Allah. So we can't have a bottle of water for the guest of Allah? You don't think you'll get blessings for that? You don't think so? Astaghfirullah. Yeah, but we get blessings to invite some big shot to show off. Yeah. And the guest of Allah, no? No? And I tell the whole world this, Baidnillah. And I'm not telling Brother Azad to do this. I'm telling you, the community. All of us. If you have the means and you could pick up a case of water for $3, bring it. One brother drinks a bottle of water here, or any masjid in the world, I'm not talking about here, please don't miss the point. And they pray salah and they're thirsty and they get a bottle of water, you get blessings for that, man. Ashraf, you don't think you'll get blessings for that? Huh? So why do we deprive ourselves from these blessings? I remind myself, and I told you in the world last year, Hazrat Uthman radiallahu ta'ala who gave a well. Why do you think in Islam to build a well is a form of sadaqah jariyah? That when you die, we will continue getting blessings for everybody who drink from that well. Why? Why is a well sadaqah jariyah? Have you ever thought about it? So, when we die, everyone that drink from that will get blessings. But why do you and I have to wait until we die to get blessings? Why can't we now, being alive, bring a bottle of water for somebody else to drink? Yeah? Why? Have we missed the hadith and the blessings of giving someone a day to a bottle of water or some water to drink? And I'm just saying, forget about only our homes. Already when you go to somebody's home, they say, kya piyenge bhai, kuch piyenge? Nahi bhai, kuch nahi. MashaAllah. Say, will you drink something? Person say, no. You say, okay, mashallah, I'm very happy you're not drinking anything. A lot of people are very happy if you said no. A true host should be sad if a guest says no, because you lose the blessings. The Prophet ﷺ says, one of the signs of a believer is when a guest comes to his home, he gives them something to eat and drink. He treats them nice. That's a sign of a believer. Today, some of us, the believers who prayed and read Quran whole month, we are happy nobody comes to our home to eat and drink something. So we live in stronger gated communities, so they can't even enter the village unless they come to have the doors open. I mean, no offense. Forgive me for that. I'm just using, this is just how you, little lyrics in the speech. Yeah, but it's sad. Let's talk some reality. And I want to talk because, you see, we have a lot of real crying and ibadah and namaz in Ramadan. And then we miss the whole sunnah and the barakat of the Quran and the blessings and the guidance. And we know the Prophet ﷺ says that when if a person builds a masjid or builds a well or a running stream, a person digs a stream and water is running that people can get water from, that blessings will continue for that person until the day of judgment, as long as people benefit from it. So what about a masjid and people go to a masjid and get a glass of water to drink? Anyhow, I don't want to dwell on that.